Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Doorbell was ringing continuously. A man opened the door with frustrated face. Jimin, yeah, coming. Don't know who is ringing the doorbell. He doesn't have little bit patience. A person will walk to main door to open it. He can't fly. Open the door. Wow. Surprise! I'm back. Picked him in his arms. Jimin, surprised. Yoongi! You came back. But you told me that you will come next week. Yoongi, I wanted to give you a surprise. I missed you so much. Peeked all over his face. Jimin, yeah, I can see your happiness. Now put me down. Yoongi, no, I won't. I just want to love you so much. Jimin, what happened to you? Why are you behaving like a desperate teenage boy who met with his girlfriend after a week? Yoongi, I always a desperate teenager boy for you. Jimin saw balloons which were tied on his luggage. Yoongi, you brought these many balloons? Yoongi placed Jimin on the floor. Cookie loves balloons, na? I can't wait to meet my son. Jimin, you did good. He will be so happy to see you. Wait, let me call him. He is in living room. Yoongi, wait, let me hide my face behind these balloons. I'm ready. Jimin shouted, Cookie! Cook came there. Appa! Yoongi sighed the balloons. Surprise! See, Cookie, Dada is here. Come to Dada, my baby. Dada missed you so much. Walked towards him to hug him. Cook, back away. No! Turned around and looked at the person. Dada! Ran to his arms. Yoongi widened eyes. Dada? Looked at the person and jaw dropped. Hobie! His childhood best friend. Arthur, confused to see why Cookie is calling Hobie as Dada instead of Yoongi. Don't be confused. Arthur is here. Let's go back and flashback. Flashback is started. 20 days ago. Jimin, while packing Yoongi's luggage. Yoongi, is it important to go? Yoongi, while getting ready. Of course, it my love. Otherwise, why would I go? I can't live without you and Cookie. You both are my life. Jimin, Yoongi, whole month without you. How would I manage? And what about Cookie? He wants to see you as soon as he opens his eyes. Without you, he will put whole house on his head. Yoongi, I know, but this trip is also very important. Hyang is going to attend this meeting, but he lost his passport and he can't go now. I have to go, otherwise his hard work will go in vain. I'm sure you don't want this, right? Jimin, yeah, I packed your bag. You want any other thing? Yoongi, pack our family photo frame too. I can't take you two with me, but at least I can take your pics. Jimin, I already packed that. I know you want us. Yoongi, After coming back from this trip, first thing I will do to make Cookie's passport. If today he has his passport, then I will definitely take you two with me. Jimin, it's alright. It's a business trip, not family trip. Hugged him tightly. I will miss you so much. Yoongi kissed on his forehead. I will miss you too. Now I have to go, otherwise I will miss the flight. Jimin, wait, let me wake up Cookie. Say him bye. Yoongi, no, don't wake him up. I don't want to disturb his precious sleep. Let him sleep peacefully. If he will wake up, then he won't let me go. He will start crying, and I can't go by leaving him like this. Kissed on Cookie's forehead. Love you, my baby. Dada will come back soon with Cookie's favorite toys and snacks. Please forgive Dada to leave you and Appa alone, and don't cry. Yoongi left from there with heavy heart. He didn't want, but work was also important. Next day, when Cookie opened his eyes and couldn't find Yoongi at home, he searched him everywhere and started crying. Jimin tried to handle him, but he only wanted his dada. He was very close to Yoongi and didn't stay without him. He got sleep only on Yoongi's chest. Jimin tried to contact with Yoongi, but as he was busy in his meeting, so he didn't notice his calls. 2 days passed like this. Cookie always waited for Yoongi at the main door and always looked down through the balcony to see his dada but couldn't see him. He became quiet. There was day-night difference between Yunmin's city. Yoongi called Jimin at night, but Cookie was sleeping. He was Cookie's sleeping figure. He was also dying to talk with Cookie, but he can't leave his work. Time skipped after 2 days. 2 days passed anyhow. Cookie started crying more while missing Yoongi. Jimin was tensed. He didn't know how to handle Cookie. He was sitting on couch while holding his forehead. Suddenly his mobile rang and he picked it without checking the caller ID. OTP. Jimin. Sad and slow voice. Hello. Loud and cheerful voice. Hello. How are you, Jimin? Jimin. Hello, Hobie. Hobie. What happened? You sound so low. Is everything alright? Is Cookie alright? Don't tell me that cruel and stone-hearted man fought with you. Cook ran to Jimin after hearing his mobile. Dada! Appa! Dada call Cookie? Jimin cupped his face. No, it's not Dada. It's Hoba. Talk with Hoba. Cookie loves Hoba's na? Placed the mobile on his ear. Cook yanked his hand. Cookie no talk Hoba. Cookie talk Dada. Dada no love Cookie. Jimin placed his mobile on the couch. No baby, Dada loves Cookie so much. Dada is just little bit busy. Soon Dada will come. Don't cry. Wiped his tears. Cook back away. No, Dada no. Appa no lying. Dada no go take Cookie. Cookie bad. Sobbing hard. Jimin, no, Cookie isn't bad. Cookie is a Dada good boy. Is little bit busy. Please try to understand, na? Cook, no! Ran from there while crying. Jimin, Cookie! Ash, this boy saw mobile and picked it. Hello, Hobie, are you there? Hobie, yeah, I'm here. What happened? Why is Cookie crying this much? Where did Yoongi go? Jimin, Yoongi had to go on business trip. His young lost his passport, so at last moment Yoongi had to go in place of him. Cookie doesn't have passport, so we couldn't go with him. Hobie, my poor baby, he must be feeling so bad. Jimin, he already left food and water all day. He was only waiting for Yoongi. I tried to take him out, but he isn't ready to go anywhere. He never stayed with Cookie, so it's hard to handle him. Hobie, of course it will be. Cookie is only 2. Don't take stress. Try to engage him in other work. He will soon forget Yoongi. Jimin, I will try. Hobie, I will talk with you later. I have to check Cookie. Hobie, yeah, no problem. Call ended. Time skipped at next day. Doorbell rang and Cookie ran to main door while calling Dada Dada. He tried to open the door but lock was on high. He looked here and there and brought a small stool and climbed on it, but still his hand couldn't reach till the lock. Jimin came there while wiping his hand. He was washing the dishes. Jimin ran to him. Cookie, what are you doing? You will fall. Cook, Tata, come, Appa, fast, open door. Patted the door. Jimin made Cookie drop on his feet. Yeah, I'm opening it. Cook started jumping. Appa, fast. Jimin opened the door. Don't hurt yourself. Cook, without looking at the person, Dada, hugged him tightly. Jimin looked at person and smiled. Hobie. Cook looked at Hobie and broke the hug. Oh, ba. Looked here and there. Dada, no, come, said with bubbled lips and tried to cry. Hobie picked him in his arms. Cookie, what happened, my little sunshine? Why are you crying? Cook, oh, ba, Dada, no, come. Dada, no, talk, Cookie. Dada, no, miss Cookie. Hobie, it's okay. Dada is busy in his work. So what? See, Hoba is here. Cookie and Hoba will do lots of fun. Looked at Jimin. Jimin, take my bag inside. I'm going outside with Cookie. We will be back soon, okay? Jimin, okay. With that, Hobie brought Cookie near by the garden. He brought an ice cream cone and sat on the bench along with Cookie, who was looking so down with pout. Hobie was Yoongi's childhood best friend. He treated Cookie as his own son. He couldn't see Cookie's this condition, so he immediately came here. Hobie, Cookie, what happened? Don't you want to eat tasty ice cream? Cook, without looking at him. No, Cookie, no eat. Cookie want Dada only. Hobie, if Cookie won't eat this tasty ice cream, then it will be sad and started melting. Hobie's money will waste. Cook looked at Hobie with sad pout. No, Cookie, no waste. Cookie, eat tasty ice cream. Lick the ice cream. Hobie gave him cone. Very good. I know Cookie is sad because Cookie's dada went without informing Cookie, but there is something Cookie doesn't know. Cook looked at him. What? Hobie, I know my Cookie is very strong and intelligent boy. Cookie will listen to Hoba, right? Cook nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Cookie, listen. Cookie, tutu, yes. Hobie smiled. Yoongi went to very important business trip. If Yoongi won't work, then how will house run? Cook, Hoba, house no run. Cookie run. House stay there. Somebody fool Hoba. Hobie smiled. No, I didn't mean by actual run. How will I make you understand things hard? Yeah, see, Yoongi earned money, then by that he brought things for Cookie and Jimin. Cook, But a Papa thinks Cookie no data. Hobie wanted to pull his hair but controlled himself. Calm down, Hobie. He is just a child. Cook looked here and there. Oppa talk who? Hobie, forget it, Cookie. Your dada left you alone now. I have a plan to take revenge from him. Cook looked at him with big two eyes. Revenge? Hobie mentally slapped himself. No revenge. I mean to teach him a lesson. Cook, lesson? Oh, yeah. Hobie, so first Cookie shouldn't stay sad and cry. Cookie should be happy and laughing. Cook, but Cookie missed Dada. Hobie, Yoongi knows Cookie missed Dada. That's why he isn't coming back. When he will get to know that Cookie is happy and didn't miss him, then he will come back soon. Cook, really? Dada come soon? Hobie, really? Your dada is my childhood friend. I know him better than he knows himself. Just ignore him and pretend that you are angry from him. Then see how fast he will come. Cook, yeah, Cookie angry dada. Cookie not take dada not take Cookie. Hobie, and Cookie shouldn't worry. Hoba is here. Cookie can play with Hoba. Hoba will stay with Cookie. Cook hugged him tightly and wiped his ice cream filled face on his shirt. Thank you, Opa. Hobie smiled and patted his head. Now no more sad face. Only Cook smile. Flashed his bunny smile. Hobie first tried to make Cookie understand about Yoongi's work, but Cookie is only 2 years old. He can't understand anything, so he used his best friend mind and it worked. Cookie became happy once again. He didn't cry after that. Hobie stayed with Cookie and didn't let him feel Yoongi's emptiness. Jimin was happy to see Cookie's smile. He thanked Hobie for this. Yoongi got more busy in his work and less in the call, but because of Hobie, Cookie didn't cry. Flashback ended. Current day. Yoongi got shocked to hear Cookie calling Hoba Dada instead of him. He became so mad and jealous, just like Cookie. He was equally possessive for Cookie and couldn't see his place taken away from him. Yoongi opened mouth. Dada? Looked at Jimin. Jimin, did you hear my son Cookie called that sprite lover as Dada? Jimin casually. I heard. Yoongi more shocked. How can you be so casual? What's happening here? Jimin, don't look at me like this. I told you to not leave him without informing. But you didn't listen to me. Now don't expect anything from me. Yoongi widened eyes. What? I left without informing him because of some reason. You also know this very well. Jimin, then now he also have his own reason to call Hobie as Dada. Walked to living room. Yoongi followed him. What do you mean by this? Jimin! 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 Looked at Cookie who was sitting on Hobie's lap. Cookie! Cook looked at Hobie. Dada! Cookie want water. Hobie, of course, baby. Yoongi quickly grabbed a glass of water and gave to him. Here, baby, drink water. Cook looked at Hobie. Dada! Hobie took the glass from Yoongi's hand and made him drink water. Do you want something else? Yoongi, Cookie, I'm your Dada. Call me Dada. Why are you calling this sprite lover as Dada? I'm your real and only Dada. Cook without looking at him. No, you know Dada. Left with Hobie. Yoongi loosened his tie. Just for few days I left my son alone and this sprite lover came here and controlled my son. I will kick on his bum and throw him out of my house. What did he think about himself? I will go to haunted house and bring some ghost and tell them to eat him. Ah! Jimin, do you want to eat dinner or fill your stomach by cursing Hobie? Yoongi, what do you mean by my dinner? You will eat with me. Jimin, no. Actually, Hobie took us out for candlelight dinner, so we all already had our dinner. Only you left. Jimin served his dinner, which he made in afternoon. Yoongi had his dinner while cursing Hobie. Hobie and Cookie secretly saw his mad and jealous face and became happy. Later at night, Yoongi sneaked in Hobie's room and saw he was sleeping while cuddling with Cookie. He carefully picked Cookie in his arms and took him in his room and slept while happily hugging him. He missed him so much. Hobie and Jimin smiled to see Yoongi's possessiveness towards Cookie. Next day, Yoongi didn't go to his office. He stayed at home and tried to talk with Cookie. But Cookie kept cringing to Hobie and teasing him by calling Hobie as Dada. Jimin was on floor and laughing mess. To see Dada and Sons this cute possessive fight, Yoongi was making plans and plotting against Hobie. He wanted back Cookie at any cost. He asked Jimin's help, but he denied. So Yoongi made a plan to surprise Cookie. Hobie took Cookie outside for evening walk and Yoongi was waiting for him. Cook happily chippering, "Appa, appa, appa, see what Cookie bring," said by holding a bubble bottle, but bumped with a giant bunny and fell on the floor. Ah! Giant bunny stretched his arm. Will Cookie friendship with bunny? Cook got up. Wow! Big bunny! Nobody said carelessly. Yes, Cookie friendship. With that, Jimin turned on the music and Cookie started dancing with Giant Bunny, who was none other than Yoongi. Hobie was recording Yoongi to blackmail him later, and Jimin was smiling to see their madness. Yoongi removed his bunny head. Cookie, Dada is sorry. Dada will never leave Cookie again. Please forgive Dada only for one time and again accept me as your Dada, please. Cook looked at Hobie, who gave him a nod. Dada! Yoongi hugged him tightly. Cookie, don't stop calling me Dada. It seems like I haven't heard this word since ages. Cook, Dada, Dada, Dada. Yoongi looked at Hobie and stuck his tongue out. See, you sprite lover. I got back my baby. Don't you dare to keep your eye on my son. If you dare to snatch my baby, then I will hire some ghost and leave them behind you. Jimin slowly shook his head. Yoongi. Hobie, yeah, why not? Jimin, Hobie, don't mind. He became crazy after hearing Dada. Hobie, no, I don't mind. I'm happy to see both of them happy. With that, they all had dinner together. Yoongi made Cookie's favorite dishes and fed him by his hand. Today he was on cloud 9 and didn't let anyone to touch Cookie. Never mess with toddlers' feelings. They may be small, but their drama is big. They won't yell or throw tantrums. They know your weakest point and hit you with maximum cute punishment. Never underestimate toddlers' powers. They won't feel any mercy when they came to take revenge. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. How was Cookie and his fake Dada Hobie's plan to teach Yoongi a lesson? How dare he to leave our Cookie without informing and giving him bye-bye kiss? Small children are very emotional and possessive. Their way of taking revenge is also very cute. They only want your love and attention. When they don't get their right, then came with new plan. No matter how much strong you are, you can't be able to handle small baby's ignorance and never ever tolerate it if they give your place to someone else. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.